Hi everyone, this is a 3-minute tutorial on how to use talking points for schools. In today's video, we'll be covering how to view and add a class to your account. When you first log into the program, you'll be taken to the Messages dashboard that looks like this. On the left-hand menu, you will see an option that says Classes. This is where all of the information about classes in your school account is housed. Go ahead and click on it. On your Classes page, you'll see all of the information for classes currently listed in your account, organized alphabetically. Next to each class name, you will be able to see their information, like the class grade, the student count in that class, the number of teachers working in that class, and the option to delete it. If you click on the class name, it will take you to the information for that class, again telling you how many and which teachers and how many and which students are enrolled in that class. In this page, you can also remove specific students or teachers from the class by clicking the red X button next to their name. To add staff to a class, you will click the white Add Staff button on the upper right, and then use the checkboxes to select which staff you wish to include. To add a student, you'll click the white Add Student button on the upper right again, using checkboxes to add one or more students. To edit a class name or grade level information, you will click the blue Edit Class button. Now, let's try adding a new class. For this, we will navigate back to the main class dashboard. On the upper right, you should see the big white Add Class button. If you click on it, it will open a new window where you can specify the class name and class grade. Then click the Create Class button. There should now be a new class with that name in your class list. To add students and staff to that class, click on the class name and follow the same steps as above to add students and staff until all appropriate parties have been added. And there you have it. That's how to view and add classes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for further Talking Points for Schools help topics.